Hey YouTube fam, blessed day to you. It's Sunday, another beautiful day. Most of all, it's family day. Yes, so I'm in the kitchen with Dad. Dad's a morning, man.
Morning, everybody. Good morning.
I'm gonna make some breakfast. So, girl been running around for a few weeks now, up and down like Fowler look feel like she lose her shadow. But guess what? I'm gonna be making some breakfast. So, I have some ackee here, frozen ackee. I take it out to make it half. Normally, my mother would give a sweet potato my son a morning time, but I that I go on so I have a sweet potato. Got me some bananas, and I got me here my dough. So I make some dumplings. So 2 of these. So show them I'm going over this so that. This I have saltfish in a pot, and that the ackee pot will come to a boil. Right here, so you see what I want. I have dumplings. So this look like a dinner and breakfast in a one, you know. That me I tell you, okay, see me. I finish some eating, I eat the road again. So, I make my do at that time, so I put in some dumpling. Ackee water boil up there. All of that. So, that's what I'm making. It's a beautiful day, Dad. We got some good rest last night. Yeah, even though the light went apart at the earlier part of the night, so we sat out on the front porch, get some good, nice, cool, fresh air in till sleep hold me. And so on. So guess what? We are here and we are doing thing because guess what happened? It is the journey of life. Sometimes it's a family, I don't know. But sometimes something will happen to you upon the journey of life. You have to say, Lord God, did I sign up for this? I never sign up for this. But you don't know what happened. It come and you have to deal with it because guess what? I mean, no sense you keep no pity party because I'm a girl and I'm not really. I really do another pity party thing, you know, but sometimes, oh boy, it's so much, it's a lot, so we're there, so, and for the longest while, may I get a chance to make some breakfast, so may I make ackee and saltfish, as you see, and that's Dad's favorite. It's not my favorite though, so I put my ackee in my pot right over there, so, but I did salt, put a little salt in there already, so my ackee in my pot, maybe a little one stir, and all that, what? You can look one stir over there, so yeah, make it still. Make it put a little salt. I had this soaking for more than an hour, so I scald it off here now. So I'm going to do there now. I have my little dumpling them in that. I get a one stir off master pot. Oh, yeah, be so. Oh, you so strong. So look here. I'll get them banana peel off right over here. I'll peel the. What is something you name, Dad? Sweet potato. I have 1/2 dead onion, have scallions though. And I just right there now, so we'll make some breakfast. So I hope you're having a beautiful day whenever you get to watch this. I don't know what time, if you ever get to watch it Sunday, I would love to let you watch it today. But if it is good morning, good evening, good night, and whenever you get to watch this, it is a beautiful day. Make the best of it, you know. If you have people in your circle that have been good, yeah, just make sure that you appreciate them, tell them you love them, show them you love them, and all of that. Because this journey of life, it's not an easy one. So look here, one whole heap of banana, you know. Family may have here, you see them? One bag of banana, the other way you put some banana in the market, me I go. Alright, so I'm gonna go peel off my bananas them now and peel a little one potato here, and I'll catch you in the next clip. Putting in my bananas now, fam. Yeah, I put in the potato already, so I'm putting them banana here. And ackee, I boil it over here, so I'm turn down the ackee stove. You must have frozen the eggs. Yeah, and saltfish over there, so I go on with it, something is going on. Yeah. I just squeeze one lime in this car. And look like it all get oxidized, but I still make sure I do the right thing. I told look a dumpling. Real Jamaican food, them, you know. I'm not telling a lie. If I don't love enough Jamaican food. Yeah, Daddy, if you say this cook. Yeah, if you say put me and turn off. Yeah, and this, I turn off this turn straight off the water. So family, this are gone. Yeah, I squeeze a lime, I strain off the ackee now. And this is the saltfish. I'm gonna throw it off, let it in some cold water again, and I will catch you in the next clip. Breakfast, me I'm making a Sunday breakfast. So okay fam, Daddy they say I clean up the saltfish. Right there so my ackee. I have some skillet over there, some pepper. I have a look one onion of course. Yeah. But all these are the with the saltfish clean up for me. So here pot over this I'll bubble with the food. Yeah, like you want turn down so it's back right there so we will that to the turn down. With the bubble and squeeze and look for one line. Yeah, the food look clean and pretty. So this is the pot I'm gonna make the saltfish and ackee into. So that's soon done with the saltfish. And when you see me in the next clip, the veg skeleton and something I cut up, make the onto I fix up my saltfish. Alright, now this I put it.
Yeah.
Alright, put it have a water in the manager, not water. Alright. Next clip, fam. Your family, so get your little saltfish over there. It'll go on with a little something, sorry, that never cut it in and so. Over there, so I'll go on with it something. So I cut up some scallion. So I take out some for cob and put up a scallion pan it. I cut up a piece of that tomato upon it. When she come, she just go deal with that when she wake up. She do what she want to cook it up and because she don't eat the saltfish. She don't eat the ackee. Family me tired same way, yeah. Like a sharp and nice. You see me did I use one knife a while ago, large and massive. And I have one shoulder here I develop during this relocation time here where it will give me all of me I look for. I just touch it yesterday and say, hello, you're not my shoulder, I need back my regular shoulder. Yeah? I need back my right shoulder because I not take it on. So I there I look about the breakfast and it will give me a warm time. So see? Yeah, this is a really nice knife. Yeah. Came with a guard and so maybe one day you see me I use the guard. When I really find myself second on, maybe I want a piece of pepper. This clean doing I can wash myself and come put them in the fridge. And it cut up on the left. So I'm not put the seed them in there. I'm going to put them in for dry and see if I can try out the pepper them again in that.
Yeah.
Alright. Now let this dry fan. I'm going to show you all in me and do them something there. So next clip. Oh, so look at saltfish that I want with the tea. You don't know what kind of cooking technique is already like fatty. It's a brown up, I want to brown up. The food over here to take time. I cook long, yeah. It's almost there, so I'm brown up the saltfish and so on. I had tea already, that I've been coffee of course. I'm going to drink some ginger and ginger grass. So I eat that in my food almost ready because I think I'm hungry to me. I never know if I just turn one way look like gas and it look like I'm hungry. So look here. I don't know, I don't really love ackee and saltfish like that, but a long time I don't eat man. I go eat one of the dumpling, piece of potato and a banana. And I eat that, you know, maybe water if I can find something else to drink. Yes, so make the saltfish go and brown up and then I don't know how I look about saltfish already, but look here, let me tell you something. If you watch this video, you're going through a rough time. Just remember that you're the prey. And when you ask of God, He will deliver. He's a miracle worker. He specializes in things that seem impossible. I wish I could go and turn down this a little more, do more in depth and tell you some more. I'm a private life, but you know, I really don't like try to go too deep in my private life, and especially the moment I'm so. It's a God. He's an awesome God. If you're going through a rough time, you know, everything just has tumbled down. Just relax. Take 2 moments and relax. Talk to God. He might not come through at the time that you want him to come through, but I can assure you he will come through in the right time. I am coming out of 16 years of captivity, mental captivity. Let me tell you about it one day as I go along on the channel. You know, when I get back my real sanity. But it doesn't matter what. Remember to pray. Yeah. See saltfish here. Brown up white, it brown up. So no matter when you watch it, if you have got through a lot, just keep the faith. I know sometimes I come like say, you can't keep it no more. Father God knows I really can't keep that faith. Yeah, I understand. You know, say I say that you can see the chat where you want chat say. But you know, if you know what I have been through for the past 16 years, I may tell you, I may write a book. I always keep telling you I want to write a book. But look here, I'm beginning a new chapter. I've started a new chapter in my life on this journey of life. Yes, I fish are brown up nice and all them. So look here, we know I put in a little scotch, the little scallion, and the little onion. I want to cut this onion. I find it. I don't even know where it comes from. And my type of onion, but I find it about the place. If I come, I don't know, but I find it somewhere. Oh, you like that, Dad? I find it somewhere. I like our natural, our local white onion. I love them. So let them make sure that them also are going in there. And I hope you're having a beautiful Sunday. I said that so many times. Tell me in the comments what you make for breakfast. You know? Yeah, try to just ride out the storm, then walk come, you know? Yeah, just try to ride them out. I'll make this one put down for more. And then you see me next again, I think everything will be ready. And we are going to dish up some of the food with you. And maybe me start eat a little with you. I'm going to see if it feels good. Not true. Yeah, up with the flame. And that is what I'm going to see them up man, but try to put back on the food. Catch you in the next clip, fam. And we have to switch on burners from this pot here. It's very thick, so I put in. Yeah. Turn it down with this here and get something covered. Is it never cover it is? Yeah. I have to cover it and I'm put them. Always happen to get some cover. Happen to get one another. Yeah, food done now. Food is finished. Yeah. In the comment, I know since I found a mortar jewel in the butter, so I go. So I'll catch you around. Okay now fam, so I could dish up some food now. I dish up that. Everybody else when they come out, them deal with them thing. Pure adult I have around here. Right about now. So I search for dumpling, but I go say something to you fam. You know say we as Jamaican we have a lousy all me too. But I'm trying. I try to get out tight most time, you know. When you present food, if you take the fork and stick the dumpling, that's a lousy presentation. When you're the woman, I go on with them sitting. You know, you cook for your family and you know really put it out to the world. Yeah. But it's a long time thing. Wow, but these bananas are so nice and soft and white and pretty. Wow, look at that family. Nice and soft. I sent Mary, you know. That them got an Uncle Murphy because I sent Mary yesterday. Me too tired, I couldn't deal with that. Sent Mary right there yesterday. Been too tired for weeks now. So I dish out some food for that, I don't care. When I dish out mine, you know, come back to you, see? So okay now fam, God is good, God is great. Let us thank him for food. Amen. Yes, so I have my little food here. And I haven't had like my home cooked food for the longest while. I wait for the little tin mackerel and I make ready. I've just been running around, getting a little bite here, getting a little bite there, and so on. So I'm eating this and I'm thanking God for it. Thank God for what you have to. Thanks for staying with us while I make breakfast. Leave me a comment below. What did you make for breakfast, you know? Just interact with me in the comment section. And I remember, if you're going through anything that you think will not end, just trust God, it will end. I'll catch you again with another video. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful rest of your Sunday.